guys, and welcome back to our channel. We're the Twin Sisters and I'm Rosie, and I'm here today to take you through your Sunday stretch. So get in something comfy, get ready to show your body some TLC, and I shall see you on the mat. We're going to take an easier start to begin with, and we're going to take some side-to-side stretches and some neck stretches just to release ourselves and get our head into the zone for stretching. So to start with, you can sit cross-legged. So cross those legs in front. And what you're going to do to start is just take one hand out to the side and take a big inhale, and as you do, over all the way and across into that side stretch to release through your lats and to feel that nice and deep through the side. Now you can look up towards your hand, look really angelic and beautiful, and release. Same thing, other side. So all the way over into that side reach, and again you can look up towards the fingertips for a little bit of a deep stretch to look beautiful and angelic. Nice. And release, come central. Nice. Now we're going to take ourselves into a little bit of a neck stretch. So what we're going to do for this one today is you're going to interlock your fingers and take them behind the head. You're going to drop chin to chest and feel that release. If you don't quite feel it here, I welcome you to bring those elbows close and in towards one another for a deeper stretch. And then just gently release that one, let those hands go, bring that gaze back up and forwards. Lovely. Now we're going to take ourselves into an all fours position, so you're just going to rotate yourself over. Make sure that your hands are underneath your shoulders and that your knees are falling directly underneath those hips. What we're going to do first off is actually take our hands over the top. So this is a bit of a release for your wrists. So fingertips are facing towards those knees, and what you can do to deepen is pull your hips and bottom back towards your heels. And if that's a little bit too much, just bring those hands closer and hold here. For 3, for 2, and for 1. Nice. It's a little bit like a gorilla stretch, isn't it? And then you're going to release that one. Woo, felt that one. And what you're going to do is just create a little bit of a rocking movement just to ease out from that stretch. I need that. And you're going to take this time your fingertips in towards you, hands up, and again pull yourself gently away and just hold here. For 3, 2, 1. Let that gently go. Nice. And you can just sit back on your heels, interlock those hands, and do a little bit of a jelly arms, snake arms, whatever you fancy. So basically warmed up through that upper body. We're going to go into a few more lower body stretches. We're going to first off stretch through our hips in a 90-90 stretch. So what I want you to do is take one leg out in front in a 90-degree angle, and the other one does the same thing in a 90-degree angle behind you. Now take your eye line forward and in front. Take your fingertips either side of that leading leg and take a big inhale here. Exhale. If that feels like enough of a stretch, then stay here. If you want to go a little bit deeper, then I welcome you to forward fold from the hips, over the top of that leading leg, and relax here. Just hold it. Sometimes it can feel like quite a deep, sometimes a little bit of tension. You really feel it in those hips. Or if you're super flexing, maybe you're just like chilling like a villain. And fair play. Then you're going to release that stretch. And we're going to do the exact same thing with the other side. So you can just rock yourself over to the other direction. Find that 90-90 position, and again, hold here. I'm definitely tighter in this side, I don't know about you. Or fold over the top and hold here. Nice guys, hold for a couple more seconds. Enjoy it. And release. Good. Come into the middle and you can just gently do a little bit of an opener, side to side. And settle yourself. Now come to the side. You're going to go into a pike position now. But what I'm going to ask you to do is pull one leg in and bring the sole of the foot into the side of that leg, okay? So it can be higher than the knee, it can be a little bit lower down. It's wherever you sort of feel comfy there, and that your sit bones are still down. Feel those glutes grounded. Then you're going to do a big inhale, arms reach up, and you're going to exhale over to your toes. And hold here. Now it might not be at your toes, it might be that you're at your ankles, you might be just below your knees, and that is totally fine. You go to where you feel that stretch. And breathe through it. You want to always relax into these stretches. If you feel that tension, you don't want to sort of hold your breath. You want to relax. That's where you're going to feel the most benefit. And slowly release. Now you're just going to change your legs over. So other leg's going to pull in. Again, high up above that knee or a little bit lower there. So you're still grounded through those sit bones. Take a big inhale, reach up. Take an exhale, forward fold to those toes. And enjoy it. A few more breaths here. 3, 2, and 1. Let yourself go. Nice. And then what you can do is just keeping those hands where they are. We're actually just going to do a little bit of a rotational twist. So you're actually just going to hold on to the outside of the leg, and you're going to sweep your hands all the way up and over to behind you, and relax here. Just taking a nice soft gaze. And let that one go. Now last stretch, so you're going to do the same thing other side. You're going to turn and rotate, and then sweep those hands all the way over, follow with your eye line, and really sit into that one. Stretching tall, relaxing that eye line. Kick your toes. And release. And then just give your legs a little shake out and crisscross them, either here or facing me, and take one big inhale all together to finish our stretch today. And exhale. And that is you all done with your stretch routine today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully we will see you soon back on the channel for more workouts. Take care.